In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Calendar event from Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an email into a scheduled event, complete with guests, a video meeting link, and all the details you need. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. Sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once your Gmail inbox loads, make sure you're on the main inbox view so you can easily access the tools we'll be using. At the top right of your Gmail screen, look for the Google Apps area that includes options like Calendar. Depending on your layout, you might see a small calendar icon or an option labeled Calendar. Click on Calendar from there. This opens the calendar panel directly within Gmail, so you don't have to leave your inbox. Next, inside that calendar panel, look for the three vertical dots, usually found near the top right of the panel. These three dots open additional options and settings related to scheduling. Go ahead and click on the three dots to reveal more actions. From the menu that appears, click on Schedule. This option is what connects your Gmail view to your calendar scheduling tools and makes it easier to quickly set up a new event. Choosing Schedule tells Google you're ready to create a time-based event rather than just viewing your calendar. Once you've selected Schedule, you should see an option to create something new. Click on Create an Event. This opens up the full event creation window where you can customize everything about your meeting or appointment. Think of this as the main form where you'll fill in all the important details. Now, start adding your event information. First, type in a clear title for your event so you'll recognize it later, like team check-in or client meeting. Then set the date and time. Be sure to choose the correct day, start time, and end time so your calendar stays accurate. If you plan to invite other people, add them as guests by entering their email addresses in the guest field. This will send them an invitation and let them RSVP. If you want this to be an online meeting, add Google Meet video conferencing. There should be an option to add a Google Meet link directly in the event. Click that, and a unique meeting link will be generated for you and your guests. After that, add your location and description. For in-person meetings, type the physical address or room name in the location field. For virtual-only meetings, you can leave the location blank or note that it's online. In the description box, add any context your guests will need. An agenda, notes, links to documents, or anything that will help everyone prepare. You can also select which calendar this event should appear on. If you use multiple calendars within your Google account, such as work and personal, choose the one that makes the most sense for this event. This helps keep your schedule organized and ensures the right people see the event if you share specific calendars. When everything looks good, click Save. Gmail and Google Calendar will work together to save your event, send invitations to your guests, and add it to the selected calendar. That's all there is to it. You've just created a Google Calendar event directly from Gmail, complete with all the details you need.